next startup is Ecostabilizer, and Mr. Mohammad Sohail Ashraf is the CEO of Ecostabilizer. So we are going now to see like what he is doing and his startup.
Hi, I'm Sohail, and I've been working as a civil engineer for the past 10 years. Do you know Lahore has the worst air quality in the world? Quite recently, Jacobabad recorded the world's highest temperature of 50 degrees Celsius. We are at the verge of a climate apocalypse, and our construction industry is to blame for that. Pakistan annually produces 85 billion bricks that ultimately produce nearly half of our total future emissions and exacerbate global warming. And that's not all. Among the brick factories of rural Pakistan, one of the most brutal forms of slavery continues virtually unnoticed by the outside world. Now, this paradox has motivated us to come up with Ecostabilizer, where we are developing a new world built from sustainable construction materials that can self-grow and self-heal. We are bioengineering soil into autonomous eco-blocks to replace bricks and cement and create a decarbonized, decentralized, and digital construction industry. Our eco-blocks can be used to build sustainable infrastructure that can be programmed to respond to their surroundings. Our competitors are giants of construction industry. What sets us apart is our years of research and innovation. Our production cost is nearly half of our competitors. Our products are twice as strong and can be mass-produced twice as fast. And the market potential is huge. Our currently obtainable market of bricks and construction industry sits at a whopping $25 million, and we aim to get a 15% market share. We have successfully developed our prototype through a pre-seed funding of $10,000. Our technology has been recently peer-reviewed by the most prestigious international journal of cleaner production. We have received recognition from Research Outreach UK, UNDP, and Shell. Now, we are looking for like-minded investors for strategic partnership to grow our startup. At large, our products will offer sustainable, cheaper, economical, and reliable housing for everybody. We are a team of expert civil engineers, architects, and biotech specialists. Come join us through Aspire platform to create a brave new world.
Thank you, everybody, for your attention. So I am Sohail, founder of Ecostabilizer, and right now we are looking for a strategic investment of only $20,000 to run a pilot project through which we'll manufacture around 100,000 bricks to test the market demand, and make future business forecasts in the next 6 months. So our early bird investors will enjoy exponential profits as we grow our business in the near future. So as you've seen in the video already, we have successfully developed the product prototype, and our patent filing is in the progress at the moment. So I just want to reiterate and summarize that we're trying to replace brick and cement in the industry with our products that are not only stronger, but also cheaper and environmentally friendly. So I'm open to any questions you might have. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Ashraf. Actually, I have one question that as you did your prototype in Malaysia, how do you plan to replicate your prototype in Pakistan market and environment? Can you explain this?
Yeah, very good question. Actually, our tests indicate that the raw material required for our production is available and compatible with our technology. So that is not a problem. And the rising temperatures and the worsening air quality of Pakistan makes our startup a hot cake for all the investors, both global and local, who are spearheading their fight against climate change.
Good. And where do you see your startup for the next 5 years?
Well, in the next 5 years, we hope to undergo both horizontal and a vertical expansion to transform this conventional construction industry into a sustainable and zero carbon construction industry in line with the United Nations SDGs. We're looking to network for distribution partnerships with organizations working on mitigating climate change, and then leverage such partnerships to acquire more distribution channels with private and government entities.
There are some questions from the chat window. What is the minimum investment would you take? Would you take a $5K US investment?
First of all, thank you for the person who is offering this investment. Ideally, we will be looking for at least $10,000 so that we can successfully run the pilot project. But I'd love to communicate with you after this event, and we could chart a way out. And yeah, that's it.
There is another question from Dr. Ways.
Just one thing, sorry, Arshad, just I'm interjecting here. Sohail, this 5K investment offer is a partial investment offer. So you can find multiple investors with 5K each, and that would help you raise 20,000 that you're trying to raise. So you don't need to have all the investment coming from one single investor.
Yeah.
So we
I
have
definitely
last 30 seconds. Last 30 seconds, please wind up.
So one of the person was asking the question that what would be the difference between the local and the bricks that we make. So the price difference will be, we will be 30% cheaper when we are going out to the market, and our products will be at least 2 times stronger, eco-friendly, and having thermal insulation properties. And I'd love to communicate with everybody. You just search our Ecostabilizer on Google and you will find all the information. I'd love to communicate with you afterwards. Thank you for your attention. Yeah, we definitely can increase the production. Depends on the funds. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Sohail. Thank you so much.
Yeah, thank you.